Hi guys, my name is Michael Stillwell and I'm the student coordinator for Piano Technician Academy. I used to be one of the instructors here. I'm actually one of the people that helped develop and write the course. But a few months ago we partnered with Artisan Piano Services and they kind of took over the enrolled students. So now I work with the students who are looking to enroll, who have questions about course material or what we cover. I help order toolkits and send those out, do all the marketing, that kind of thing. But like I said, I used to be an instructor. So I'm a third generation piano technician myself, and I work in our family's piano store called Stillwell Pianos in Mesa, Arizona. And about a week and a half ago, we decided at our store that we were gonna pull the plate of a grand piano and hang it on the wall outside. Just look cool, we were gonna throw the piano away anyways. And so we did that and we filmed it and posted it online and sent it out to our customers. And in the video, we called it a harp. This is what I'm referring to, this big cast iron part of the piano. In the piano technician world, this is always referred to as a plate, not a harp. But we called it a harp because we were sending it out to our customers, and most of our, everyday customers don't know what a plate is. And calling it a harp is very descriptive. So, sorry, we just got here this morning. I'm just turning on all the lights and opening up the shop. But when we posted it online, we posted it on a Facebook group that was designed for piano technicians. And the piano technicians kind of ripped us apart because they said, it's not called a harp, it's called a plate. And some people are saying, oh, it is called a harp. I think it's pretty unanimous among piano technicians that we would always call that a plate. And we explained why we called it a harp in the video, but whatever. And it kind of sparked this whole conversation that piano technicians have different names for different parts of the piano, different tools we use, different services we offer, and it's really common. Part of my job as a student coordinator here at PTA is to travel around the country, meet with different piano stores, different piano technicians, different PTG chapters, and just kind of keep our hand on the market to make sure that our students, once they graduate, have a footing somewhere. So I meet with a lot of technicians all over the country, and you'll notice this a lot. Like, we use the word, down here in Phoenix, we call the part of the grand piano and the action a whippin'. Artisan Piano Services up in Portland, Oregon, who's our instructors, they call that a repetition. And that's fairly common, and it gets really confusing with tools because a lot of times we don't have a standard word for a specific tool. So when we go to search for it, to buy it on Shaft Piano Supply or Piano Tech or any other supply house, we kind of just have to guess what it might be called based on what we use it for. And hopefully we find it. But anyways, I just wanted to make that quick video just talking about the differences between what we call things. This is the plate that we did the video with. This is an old 100-year-old Wurlitzer that was condemned that we were going to throw away. We actually have one on the other side too. This is an upright plate from a Adam Schaff piano that was going in the dump. Ironically, some people started commenting that, why don't you just take that metal to a scrapyard? It's a huge, heavy part of the piano, probably weighs 200 pounds. No, it's not worth anything. It's cast iron. We've done it one time. We got like $8.50. It's not worth it. I'd rather have $8.50 of art on the outside of my piano store than take it to a dump. But anyways, guys, as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. My email address is michael@pianotechnicianacademy.com. You can go to pianotechnicianacademy.com and go to the contact page if you ever want to email us. But we love to talk shop. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll talk to you soon.